What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a cable scoop. Alright, and this is the cable scoop. And starting with the feet placement, staggering the feet is going to increase the balance while performing this exercise. In order to fully engage the pecs at the top of the exercise, the elbow should be bent at a 30-degree angle. At the top of each rep, the hand should be crossed to get a full contraction of the chest. The primary target of this exercise, the pectoral major, or more specifically, the upper chest. And here comes the garbage. Having the feet close together will result in the loss of balance when performing this exercise with heavy weight. Pay close attention to the elbows. When bent at 90 degrees, the biceps are then engaged and the contraction is taken away from the chest. This variation allows you to target one pec at a time while focusing on core engagement. When performing this exercise, the same side of the leg should be back as the arm performing the exercise. When working with one arm, the hand should end up in the middle of the chest at the top of each repetition. Alright, fam, and that's how we do a cable scoop. Until next time.